So what I want now, currently like we have created 3 pages and we are trying to hit from the URL. Okay, but now this is not like a real time, right? In real time application we will have some menus or some links, right? On click of that link or menu, the respective page will get open, right? Respective URL will get hit and that will open the respective component, right? This is like a real time scenario. So what we will do in this current video, we will build the one menu, okay, which will have these 3 options: home, contact us, about us. Okay, so these 3 component we will be having, 3 menu we will be having, and on click of this menu, okay, it will take to the respective component. Okay, so for that one, let's create what I want. I want to create a one component. Let's create a one component and let's give the name as a, like a header, or like let's give the name as a, like a custom header component. Okay, new file, I am giving the name as a, like a custom header, okay, dot jsx. All right, react arrow functional component with export. Okay, awesome. So just hit it. So this is the one component we have created. Okay, now what I want this component should create the menu. Okay, so like let's give the, like first tag is like a header tag. Okay, header. All right, inside the header there is a one tag called as nav. Okay, just give the nav tag. Inside that one, create a one ul nothing but the unordered list. Inside that unordered list, create a one list item, nothing but the, like whatever the menus we want to display. All right, now inside this list, okay, let's add our 3 menu, whatever home, contact, okay, and about us. Home, okay, contact us, and third one is what we got, about us. Okay, and now this component add on like 3 pages, home dot. Okay, so let's add here what is the name, custom header, right? Just create the tag. Sorry, how to import, how to use another component in other component. Just we have to add like a tag, right, with the name custom header. Okay, so I have added this one, and as like we are aware that should be wrapped within a one single tag. So let me create the JSS fragment. Okay, awesome. So what I did on the home tab, I have added this custom header. First of all, I created one component, header component, which has these 3 menus, and that 3 menus I have added into the home component. Let's see what is happening for the home now. Awesome. So what we are getting this tags, right? Menus: home, contact us, and about us. Okay, but this is not clickable, right? So we have to make it as a like clickable, and we have to specify some URL. When I'm clicking on contact us, it should take it to the contact component. When I'm clicking on about us, it should render the like about us component. So for that one, what we have to do, we have to add the like in HTML, right, we have the anchor tab, right? So similar to that anchor tab, okay, we have the like called as a tag called as a link. This is from React Router DOM. Okay, so this one, okay, we have to import, like we have to import and write down this whatever the links you want to be make it as a, like a clickable or like a anchor type similar to HTML. Whatever we have in the HTML anchor type, similar that one we have the link tag from the what we got from React Router DOM. Make sure we are importing React Router DOM. Okay, link from React Router DOM. Now this link has the attribute. Okay, so like in anchor tab we have the href, right? Similar to this link we have the attribute called as to. Like once I click on the home, where I should navigate, to which URL I have to navigate, okay, that we have to specify using the to. Okay, let me copy this one to all three links. Okay, so home I will give the URL, like when I will user will click on the home, it should take to the slash home. Okay, slash contact slash contact slash about us. Alright, now just check, refresh this page. Alright, so here you can see we are on home. Okay, contact us and about us is not still yet clickable. Why so? Because we did the mistake, we have to make it as a part of link, not the like href, right? Alright, so what we did, we have added the three links, okay, for the menu: home, contact us and about us. So link will have the attribute to, where we have to specify the URL. So once we click on this menu, it should redirect to this URL. Okay, so now let's check on the UI. So here you can see about, home, contact us and about us. So when I'm clicking on contact us, awesome, so here you can see URL changed to slash contact. Okay, now let's click on about us. Awesome, so here you can see the about us. Okay, so this one is like working perfectly fine. So in the like React, okay, this link is similar to the anchor tab. In anchor tab we have to give the h reference, here we have to give the like a to. Okay, what I will do, similar to this one, like a custom header I have added into the home. Okay, what I will do, I will add into all three component. Okay, make sure we import that one. We have to wrap inside the single parent, right? Similar I will import into like a about also. And here I will import custom header. Alright, now let's check on the UI first. When I'm clicking on contact us, is taking the contact us. Okay, about us is taking the about us. So what I did, so whatever the three that headers, okay, I have put it like imported this custom header to all the like pages, like home.jsx, contact.jss, about us.jsx, all three pages I have imported this common code. Okay, that is nothing but the custom headers. Okay, so what I want, instead of displaying this one, okay, like this in a like a vertical manner, I want to make it display on the like a let's say vertically. So for that one, I am going to add, okay, some css, okay, which will will make this horizontal, what we call vertical menu, to the like horizontal one. Okay, so for that one, I will give this one css, okay, to like in our description. Okay, what I did, simply go to this app.css file, okay, and at bottom, okay, just comment this css. Okay, so this is nothing but the like a css. You need not to worry. Okay, simply what you have to do, you have to take this horizontal menu, okay, and go to this one home.js, or like sorry, custom header file. Okay, inside this one, okay, in like unordered list, okay, just add the class, okay, class name basically in React, and give the name like a horizontal menu. Okay, now let's check on the UI how it is reflecting. This is not reflecting. What happened? Just give me 1 minute. Oh, it is not reflecting. Oh, sorry, I have not saved this one. Let me save this one first. Okay, now let's see. Okay, awesome. So here you can see we are getting this three. Okay, home, contact us, about us, all three we are getting here. And you can see on click on that one, URL is also getting changed. Okay, so but what is happening, like in a real time scenario, okay, as I showed you, okay, in this one, when I'm clicking on example, this example is getting highlighted. When I'm clicking on tutorial, this tutorial link is getting highlighted, right? But in our app, okay, nothing is getting highlighted, right? We are not sure which one is, like currently we are in a page, right? So to do that one, let me show you one thing. Okay, if you inspect that one, okay, so it is nothing but the anchor tab, okay, h reference, okay, nothing else, right? So to make this one, like what we have to do, whatever the link we have clicked, okay, we have to add some css, right? So that it's like a highlighted, okay, so that user will come to know which menu I already click and on which page I am currently. Okay, so to do that one, okay, so there is another tab, okay, instead of one link, okay, there is another tag that is called as a Navlink. Okay, instead of link, just use the Navlink. Okay, okay, and make sure you import this Navlink. Okay, alright, similarly use the closing bracket, or you can use the shortcut Control D also. Okay, Navlink, remove this link because that is not needed now. We are using the Navlink. Now let's check on the UI. So here, okay, let me refresh the page first. Okay, so here when I'm clicking on this one, still we are not getting anything, right? Okay, so let me show you one thing. Okay, if you inspect this one, okay, let's say currently I am in about us. Okay, so if you see this one in about us, you can see the class active. Okay, now let's see, but for other, okay, there is no that class active. Okay, only for the about us we can see the extra class, that is class active is added. Let me click on home. Okay, I am in home page. Okay, but let me check. Okay, so in home you can see the extra attribute class is equal to attribute active, but for other one this active class is not here, means this class is internally added by this Navlink. Whatever the custom tag we have used, Navlink, that is doing this work. Okay, so this is the like a active, like whenever we click on it is adding the class active. But let's say currently we are not able to see the any difference because the like color combination is the same. So what I will do, I will go to this CSS file. Okay, what I will do, it is adding the class active, right? So what I am doing, I will create the active class. For active class, let's override some CSS, let's give some color, let's try to give as a, like our React router website. Okay, let's give this color as a brown. Now let's check on the UI. So here you can see, right, this contact, we are currently in the contact us page. So here you can see contact is like highlighted. Let me click on about us. So here you can see the about us. Let me give the another color, still it is not that much visible kind of thing. Okay, let's give this one. Okay, see about us. Let me click on contact us, it's on contact us is the highlighted. Let me click on home, so home is highlighted. So this is the work as done by the tag called as Navlink. Okay, so this is like a very useful tag from React router DOM. You are new to channel, okay, please do subscribe, like and share the video, and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon so that whenever the new upload or new tutorial series has started, you will get the notification. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.